ni Malanis dito, same ba yung privilege ng top VIP at yung 999? Actually, magkaiba sila because yung top VIP, all access pass yun, 1 whole year kang pwedeng umattend ng lahat ng classes na meron kami. But I think what she's asking is kung lahat ba ng classes na ma-attendan, magkakaroon din ng access sa internship, sa onboarding, sa application book, sa mock interview, which is your one-on-one with me. And I would say mas maraming access ang top VIP versus yung 999. Kasi yung 999, isang klase siya, so isang straight lang. Although you can attend the same class anytime that you feel like you need some clarity. So yun yung pagkakaiba nila. Si top VIP All Access Pass is 1,999. Again, 1 year na siya All Access Pass sa lahat ng classes, including the live mentorship class, the internship and all. Yung 999, very specific na siya sa isang niche. Pero kung kayo naman, sure na kayo na alam nyo na kung anong kukunin nyo na course or ano yung tatahakin yung landas when it comes to freelancing, then go for the 999 kasi makakasave kayo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, call from or work from home. Chismis. Bye!